Hi, I'm Rhys, Exec Chef at the Woodstock Inn in Woodstock, Vermont. Welcome to Home on the Range. Today I have a very simple dish. It's a potato gratin or a potato tart, however you want to call it, and a potato can be called that. Let me review the ingredients with you. These are russet potatoes, just kind of plain old bakers. I scrubbed them up really good. You can see they're still a little wet. I have a little bit of aged cheddar here, Vermont cheddar, and some Parmesan. So these are ingredients that you have pretty simple in your kitchen, and then of course some good quality olive oil. What I'm going to do, I've got a cast iron pan. It's already heating up here. I'm going to put some olive oil into it, and it may look like a lot, but it'll be okay. This is a mandolin, a slicing machine to allow me to slice potatoes really thin. I just want to have them at the right kind of slice. If you don't have a mandolin, you can cut them by hand. It's a little more difficult, but well, that's pretty thin. And then of course you could run them through, if you have a food processor, sometimes you can do that too. I'm just going to use the mandolin. Very important to be careful you don't cut your fingers when you get down to the end. You got to kind of cup your hand, and then I'm not going to worry about that last little piece. So what I'm going to do then is take the potato, put the center piece in right there, and we'll kind of build it around. If there's any slices that have, discoloration, I'll just set those aside. And this is just going to shingle around very nicely, sort of a pattern. You'll see that when we turn it over. The oven has been preheated to 350. We go around the outside here, 350 degrees. We're going to brown this. You can hear it browning up in the pan. Brown it up a little bit, and then it's going to go into the oven. Just a great dish. We make it made at home with Lewis family dinner. It's great with roasted chicken, fish, even just salad. If you want a great side, it's a terrific side. Okay, I'm going to go in there with a little bit of this cheddar. And I'm going to try to keep the cheese on the center, on the potato, not on the pan. So cheddar's going down. I'm going to shake a little Parmesan on there. Try to shake it carefully to keep it on the potato. See, a little bit gets away. It's all right. All right. And then I have some kosher salt. I'm going to go on there with a kosher salt. And I'm not doing that for dramatic effect. I'm doing that so I can feel and see how much is salt is going on. Little potato, salt and pepper on the potato. And then I'll go in with a second layer. I'll do this real quick, and of course I do the potatoes really quick so that they don't brown, they don't oxidize. We get the next layer going. It's cooking, so I've got to keep moving here. When I get this finished, I'm going to pop it in the oven. See that cook. I'll do probably 2 layers. It's only trimming myself. Again, you gotta watch your fingers here so you don't trim your knuckles. A little more cheese. Wow, I mean, it smells great already. Just olive oil and potatoes. Wow. A little parm. Kosher salt. Pepper, and I'm going to do one last layer.
There's only 2 of us.
Except there's only 2 of us. That's what it says from the background. I don't know what she's going to eat, but yeah, I got myself covered here.
OMG.
So I hear OMG from the pita gallery. A little more salt, and I'm going to actually just drizzle the top a little teeny bit with olive oil here. Come on now. Little teeny bit. I hear sort of snickering as well. Okay, I'm gonna actually let that sit, turn the heat up just a little bit. I want this thing to brown really well and kind of golden brown on the bottom. Got a little spatula here. I'm not sure it's browned yet. I'm gonna let that brown, and then I'm not gonna check it. I'm just gonna kind of estimate it by sort of the color of the ones around the edge, and then it's going into the oven. Don't go anywhere, be right back. It's been about 20 minutes, and I actually kicked the oven up to 375. Go in there, and we'll take a quick look. Looking pretty good. Oh, there it is. Now for the tricky part is to get this out of the pan. I'm going to actually get up underneath and make sure it's... Okay, it is. Wow. I think, you know what? Normally what I do is put a plate on it, invert it, and then flip it. But I think I can just do it with a spatula here. There it is. So, wow. One little piece, a little bit brown. You can fight over that at the table. Let this just rest a little bit. You can cut it into wedges. It's a great dish. Potato tart and a potato, whatever you wish to call it. Enjoy. Thanks for joining me at Home on the Range. Really simple ingredients, only a few. Enjoy your day.